Hi, this is Joe Santoro from Personal Property Managers. We offer Vacant Home Watch and Absentee Home Watch Services to our clients who have extended stays away from home of 6 months or more, many times up to a year, 2 and 3 years at a time. Many of our clients are corporate clients that take overseas assignments or take assignments perhaps from the East Coast to the West Coast or vice versa. Did you know that an insurance company, your insurance company, will not insure a vacant home for an extended period of time? I'm not talking about you going away for a weekend or a week or so down the shore or down to Florida. I'm talking about you're gone for months at a clip. Why is that? Because you have an obligation as a policyholder to what they call mitigate damages. What do I mean by that? If there's a leak in the ceiling, perhaps you're gone and there's a leak in the ceiling, and then the rain keeps coming and coming and coming. Well, as a policyholder, they want you to notify a repair company so that that little problem doesn't become a gigantic problem. You don't have to worry about that with our Vacant Home Watch and Absentee Home Watch services, because when you can't be there, we can. We customize our programs to meet your specific needs. We could visit your property, whether it's weekly, bi-monthly, or whatever frequency that you would like. We're fully inspecting the outside of the property and the inside of the property. Let me give you a couple examples. On the outside, we're making sure that the house has a sort of a lived-in look, so that the trash cans are not piled outside and never returned back in, the mail isn't piled up, or those pesky flyers aren't thrown all over your lawn. On the inside of your house, we are checking for anything relating to forced entry, perhaps broken pipes and water. Did you know that water doesn't know how to shut itself off? So for example, if your hot water heater breaks, guess what? That water just keeps coming and coming and coming and coming and coming. It doesn't know how to turn itself off. So we could come there on a frequency of your choosing, and when you can't be there, we can. Or if that alarm goes off, whatever, you could contact us and we'll be there. So if we had an inspection just the other day and 3 days later, this alarm goes off, or there's a major weather event, an ice storm, massive amounts of rain, whatever the case may be, we're going to be there looking after your home and taking care of everything in your best interest. So for more information on our Vacant Home Watch and Absentee Home Watch program, please look us up on the net at personalpropertymanagers.com. Thank you.